In this video, we're going to be covering another SQL question. This is question number 185, department top 3 salaries. We created two tables in it, employee and department. Employee has got the ID, name, salary, and the department ID. And the department has ID and the name. What they are asking for is that we need to write a query to find the employees who are high earners in each of the department and how many of them. We're going to be returning top 3 unique salaries or top 3 unique people or top 3 people who has the most salary. So if this is the data set, there are only 2 people in department number 2, so they're gonna definitely make it to the result. We have one and a total of 5 different people working in department 1. We're gonna be returning 4 of them because this is the person who is getting the most salary. These 2 are getting the second salary and this one is getting the third salary. So although the total number, we were just looking for top 3 salaries or the people with top 3 salaries. So there could be, if couple of people are getting the same salary, uh, they're gonna be just like considered as one unit. So we are looking for 3 unique top 3 salaries, and there can be any number of people who are getting that. So the technique or the visual, in order to visualize the solution which is over here, think of it as you have this table and we're going to be going through every entry in this table, and with every entry, let's say I am at this entry number 1, I'm gonna have an other imaginary table, right? Consider that I'm not joining that table, I just have everything in it, right? And I'm gonna go through keeping this in mind, this first entry, which is the Joe, he's earning this. And over here, if I have that imaginary table in the front, and I am actually gonna do is I have his salary, I have his department ID. I'm gonna go through that other table, which is gonna parse through all of these entries and see how many people, when the looking for the same department ID, right? How many people have salary which is more than 85,000. So in this case, uh, this is the salary, right? So if I look for this one, how many people has more salary? So you will say that okay, one person, which is max, right? This one, right? But this is not gonna be the greater than this one, so still it's not gonna be. So basically this person is the. So if I go through this query, that how many people in the same department has more salary than 85,000, the answer is gonna be 1, right? So when the answer is 1, it means that if I compare it, I compare this answer, let's say that this is the answer. I'm going through the employee's ID. I'm comparing the salary of which is under consideration to all the salaries of that imaginary table which is going to be in front of it. The total number of count is going to be 1, right? So whenever 3 is greater than that count, in this case it was 1, we're gonna be putting that into the result. So let's come here. uh, for this entry I'm gonna be looking for all the people in department 1. How many people has more salary than this entry, this 9,000 in department 1? No one. So the answer of this thing, this query, is gonna be 0. So 3 is greater than 0, so that's gonna make it. Okay, over here, when I'm here, how many people are there who has more salary than 69,000? So one person, two people, 3 and 4. So the answer is gonna be 4, and 3 is not greater than 4, so this person is not gonna make to the result. And likewise this and this will come up to the result. This is basically, we are going through the count for every E1 dot salary. We are looking for this salaries of E2. If it is greater, make sure that we are looking at the same department ID. If that number is greater, we're gonna be basically incrementing that counter, right? So if that, so basically this thing is gonna return you how many more people has a salary which is more than the salary which we are considering. The rest is simple. We are gonna be we are joining it with the department just to get the name of the department. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks for watching.